how to create Gmail account without phone number. So if you want to create Gmail account without phone number, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser at first, or just simply go with your Google and then go with the top right, which has that profile option. Once you tap on your profile, you need to just go with the drop down and then tap on add another account. Go and select Google and then try creating an account. To create Gmail account, you don't need any phone number. You can create Gmail account without verifying your phone number. You can add a recovery email if you don't have your phone number. But if it's not possible, or if you're facing some problems, then what you can do is you can search for temporary numbers. Search for temp number and then go with any website that you're comfortable with. Scroll down and as you can see, you will have a lot of options. You can select any country that you're comfortable with and you will get the phone numbers. You need to tap on the phone number that you would like to use. Scroll down, as you can see, you will have all of these phone numbers. Select the phone number and then create your Gmail account. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.